Hello students, this is question number 1 from 0580 winter session, paper 1-3 variant 2025. Question 1. A. Measure the length of line AB in centimeters. B. Draw a line that is parallel to line AB. So measuring the line you need to do with your ruler. Take the ruler, place the 0 on the starting point of the line segment and see till where it is ending. So it is after 5.5 and one more millimeter, so you can write it as 5.6. 5.6 centimeters is the answer. Let me change the color. 5.6. Next, draw a line that is parallel to line AB. So for this you need to use your protractor. Protractor you have to place on this line, the 0 line exactly on this line, somewhere, anywhere. Now the 0 line is aligning both the sides, and then at 90 degrees mark a point. So for me, I can draw a line directly. You have to mark and draw the line using ruler. So after drawing this line, you get a line like this, perpendicular to the given line. Then take again the same protractor, place it on this line which you have drawn, the 0 line, same way how you have done in the previous case. The 0 line should be aligning, and then again take 90 degrees and draw a line at 90 degrees exactly. So here this line is the line parallel to the given line. So you can draw this line which I have drawn perpendicular, this line. Can draw a little bit lighter so that this can be made dark, and this is the actual line which you have to draw. So that's all students. This is the way you will draw the line parallel to any given line. See you in the next video. Bye bye.